First of all, no. No, no, none of them. No, 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 no. Hey, please take an eyebrow pomade like this NYX Statement Frame and a spoolie brush and get on what I'm doing. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Go nice strokes upwards like I'm doing right now. Please, 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 for heaven's sake, don't come in front of me with brows looking like any of what I just showed you. So this is how you do it, okay? Especially for this Valentine's Day, girl, please, okay? Upward strokes, nice and easy. You don't want to put too much product. You just want to go nice and smooth. And then unless you feel you want more product, like I do in this particular situation, you take a bit more product and just brush on it just a bit. And you concentrate mostly at the ends than at the front. Okay, then take a brush like this. Most concealers actually have brushes with them, but I really advise anyone, whether you're a makeup guru or just a beginner, just learn to use tools. They really save you on a lot of product and a lot of time. You will not believe it. Like, it's magic. Okay, please, we are trying to avoid such kind of brows like I showed you. Okay, so you just want to go exactly what I'm doing, like just at the top and just at the bottom. You don't want to make your brows look too slim, and I just don't like tween brows. I'm gonna quote tween brows, okay? Those eyebrows that looks like they were born together. Like there has to be something in the middle that separates them, okay? Please don't come to me with brows looking like, oh my god, girl, oh god. Anyway, use your finger like this to get rid of excess product. This is gonna save you a lot of time. You will not even believe it. So now you take a wet beauty blender. This is a wet beauty blender, and I'll show you the difference between a wet beauty blender and a dry. This is a dry, okay? This is a dry one, and then this is a wet, a dry, a wet, a dry beauty blender. Okay, so use the wet beauty blender while you are going around with your fingers. Just get rid of the excess, and voila, that's it. That's it, girl. Happy Valentine's. Make sure you have nice brows. Subscribe and like this video. I love you all. Bye.